Okay, hello guys. My name is Doc Chris, your online family doctor, making medicine easy for you to have a healthy life. And again, happy World Family Doctor Day. And in the field of lifestyle medicine, happy Lifestyle Medicine Week. Yes, pinag-uusapan natin ang lifestyle medicine ngayong linggong ito. And perfect to kasi weekend ngayon. And most of you, I assume, are enjoying their one glass of alcohol. No? Pero ano ba ang pinaka-healthy level or healthy dose ng alak na pwedeng inumin, specifically sa mga Pilipino? Now, this is a guideline that is presented in the United States, no? Or at the United States rather. Dito sa LM Week, they're also celebrating Lifestyle Medicine Week. So, one standard alcoholic drink in the United States is 12 ounces of beer. So, example, beer, San Miguel, Manila beer, etc. Diba? 5 ounces of table wine, 1.5 ounce of 80 proof spirit. Now, sa Pilipinas, alam natin, sobrang nagiging source of happiness ng mga kalalakihan after magtrabaho ang alak. Now, sosobrahan natin yan and it's to the point na may mga nadidisgrasya, may na-aksidente that will cause risk as well as harm and it will further complicate kapag let's say na aksidente na hospital, increase pa ang financial burden, di ba? So para maiwasan natin yung mga ganong sitwasyon, it's important that we stay within the limits of enjoying those beverages. Okay? Pero hanggat maaari, kung kayang iwasan at itigil, wag na uminom na lang. Pinakamaganda, wag na pong uminom. Mas mainam yon. Okay? Pero if let's say for example, napapainom kayo, here are the standard alcoholic drinks that are recommended that will be more likely not harmful to the health. Pero wag naman araw-arawin. Okay? So, 12 ounce of beer. Sa atin, actually sa Pilipinas kasi, maliit kasi ang Pilipino, di ba? Kumpara sa Amerikano. Ay, ang nababanggit sa amin noon is at least one standard drink for an adult female. Kung kaya ang maximum ng lalaki, 1 to 2 standard drinks. Pero hanggat maaari, kahit one standard drink na lang, ayaw natin magkaroon ng problema sa atay. Okay? So, yung standard drinks, ito yung level nila. 12 ounce of beer, 5 ounce of wine, 1.5 ounce of proof spirit. Ano yung 1.5 ounce spirit? Siyempre, ang kilala na spirit sa atin ay gin, diba? Or Ginebra. Okay? One shot class lang yan. Hindi mo kailangan inubuin ang buong bilog or dos per dos na, na gin kasi hindi naman yun yung magiging beneficial sa katawan. Yes, nakakataas naman ng